Is your large screen TV refusing to turn on or showing a blinking standby light? This can be frustrating, especially when everything else seems fine. In many cases, the issue comes down to a faulty power supply board. Welcome back to HnKParts. In this video, we'll walk you through how to troubleshoot power supply board issues and understand what might be causing your TV to fail. The power supply board is a critical component inside your television. It converts incoming electricity into the precise voltages needed to run the main electronics and display panel. Over time, this board can fail due to electrical stress. High-voltage components like transistors and regulators handle heavy loads, and heat or power surges can cause them to short out. When this happens, your TV may not turn on at all. In some cases, you may notice a blinking standby light, which signals a power issue. Another possible cause is damaged capacitors. These components can weaken, swell, or fail, leading to a complete loss of power. To begin troubleshooting, first unplug the TV and allow it to sit for a few minutes. This gives internal capacitors time to safely discharge. Next, remove the back panel carefully to access internal components. Inspect the power supply board for visible damage such as burnt areas, bulging capacitors, or loose connections. You can also check the fuse on the board. If it's blown, it's often a sign of a deeper electrical fault. If you find shorted components or major damage, replacing the entire power supply board is usually the most effective solution. This helps restore stable power and protects other sensitive parts of the TV. Always make sure all connections are secure when installing a new board, and double-check everything before restoring power. Fixing the issue early can prevent further damage and extend the life of your TV. Visit HnKParts.com for high-quality replacement parts and repair solutions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more helpful repair tips. Thanks for watching.